Well, she's home, and unfortunately, I'm charging the battery because she wouldn't start. $800 later, and they killed the battery, leaving it on park. And now I got to charge it. As you see, it is charging. Thank God. Or at least it's hopefully charging. But she is back. Well, he is back. Vengeance. Good old vengeance. Got some work to do to it. Some customizing. Adding a few more things here. Same with over up in here. Want to add a couple things onto here. Extra lights. Got to take some hairspray, spray down my throttle. That one looks like it's pretty good, but just so my throttle sticks and it doesn't come off as I'm riding. But it's back. I guess that's all I can say. It is back. Brand new tires, 21-inch tire and rim. I want to say this is a brand new back tire, but it's hard to tell from the original. But that's a Dunlop, so that's definitely a different tire. But it's back. Still got some stuff I want to do to it. Man, I don't remember this being off. I don't remember it. Where's the fucking case for that? Yeah. What the fuck? Lovely. So now I gotta replace that too. But whatever. It's just a cap, I guess. Hopefully it's not dire important. Oh, it stopped, so that's obviously not the right setting. I can't remember if they said it was a lithium or regular or an acid battery, but I do believe they said lithium. No. I'll try the regular 12 volt then. Just charging it there. If it wasn't 4:30 in the morning, I'd kick her over or attempt to. I have a feeling she'd start up too. But will in a couple hours.